Hello and welcome. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to change your mass airflow sensor in your Pontiac Vibe. Now this is 2004 behind me, base model, and here is the sensor I'm using today. Okay, so as you can see right here is our mass airflow sensor. And this one, it is in the air box. That is a full piece of the air box, where some are usually after the air box in the duct somewhere with their own little housing. This is different. So all we're going to do is, it looks like there used to be a safety latch on this. It is now broke, so I could just press on that, push that off. And luckily there's really no special tools to this, so there's no reason that no one should be able to do this on their own. It's really just a Phillips screwdriver right here. So anybody can do this at home on their own, and it just pulls out like that. It's pretty simple. Now I've got the new one, and I'm going to take care in not touching really anything with my hands except for the top. So I don't want to throw anything off on it because they're really sensitive. And that's why actually I do not usually clean them. I prefer not to clean them. If they go bad, I just get a new one. So I'm holding it like this. It goes in one way. Line it up. The holes. Both screws started. Tighten that one down. Tighten that one down. There we go. Then we just plug the harness back in, and really it's that simple. So there it is. Changed that fast, that easy. There's no need to pay anyone to change that sensor for you. If you get your code or suspect that mass airflow sensor is the cause, don't clean it, just replace it, and you can do it yourself. I hope this information proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.